Hello everyone, my name is Dustin, founder and CEO of Beast Trading Software. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. This is actually the first video of the year. Yes, I know it's been a long time. I actually didn't realize how long it's been since the last video that I made. Sure, it's been months, but I am back with a brand new video. I did want to make this video and upload it on Friday, but things just got really busy. But I am back today with a lot of things to show you. I've got a lot of charts to show, a lot of signals to show. So before I get started, if this is your first time watching one of these videos, thanks for passing by, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do hit that subscribe as well. Now, before I show you all the signals, there's a few things I just want to get out of the way. So first of all the signals that you're going to see today are being used with the optimized settings. I do provide optimized set files for all of the pairs that I'm going to be showing today. And when you do purchase indicator, you do get these optimized set files, the ones that I'm going to be showing you today. So, because when you do purchase, you get access to the private Telegram group for all of the clients, where you can get all of the latest set files. So everything you see today, if you purchase indicator, you are going to get the exact same set files and you'll get the same signals as well. Now, another thing I just want to mention as well, something brand new which I started a couple of weeks ago due to so many requests that I've had from many of my users and other followers, and that is a kind of a copy trade service. So what I did to kind of meet my followers and clients halfway, I'm not providing an exact signal service, more of a kind of a copy trade. I do have a private channel where I trade and I share all of my trades into the channel, which you can then copy yourself on your own account. Now, what makes this different is that I'm not just trading signals from the Beast Super Signal. I'm trading with some other EAs of my own, some private EAs which are not public, they're not for sale, they're not available publicly. I'm trading my own manual strategies myself, plus the Beast Super Signal. So you get all of these signals in the channel, which you then copy yourself. You can choose which ones you want to copy, which ones you don't want to. It's entirely up to you. You have full control over which trades of mine you wish to trade yourself. Now, that service is available for a monthly subscription of only $49. You can check the link in the description below, and you can find it on my website. So if you'd like, if this kind of service interests you and you would like to copy my trades, you can go ahead and subscribe for only $49, and then you can get access to the private channel, which I trade daily. Just for example, for today, I traded just a few trades, and I'm up 2% for today, which is not a bad start for a Monday. Okay, so let's get started. I've got a lot to show you. I'm going to jump right into the first chart for today, and we're looking at the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now, I don't see anything going on here. I'm going to look back over the last couple of weeks, so let's just minimize this chart and see what we've got going on. Okay, so it looks like last week we had a signal here, a sell signal, and it went into take profit. So in this pair, not many trades going on at the moment, but we did get a good sell over here, and it was a win. So good start over there. Now we're over to the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I don't see anything now in this week, last week, so let's minimize. We had a buy, which unfortunately this looked like a very strong stopper. So I'm looking, this might have been perhaps been some kind of fundamental news event, which took this out, unfortunately. Right, moving on. Australian dollar, US dollar, nothing in the last week. Let's minimize it. Let's have a look and see. So looking back, we had a buy signal. I can't know for certain if it would have hit take profit, but then we did get a sell, which did hit take profit. So on this pair, not much going on, but we did get a win over here. Then the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Looks like last week I had a good sell signal here, which hit take profit. And we're currently in a buy, which came close to take profit and it's kind of pulling back a bit. So let's see how that goes throughout this week. Then euro, dollar, and euro, and then Australian dollar. We had a sell, which hit take profit relatively easy. So this was a very nice signal to have. Then going through euro and Canadian dollar. Looking back, we had a sell. did it hit? It might have hit stop loss. I can't know for certain. Then we had a buy here. This one looked like it would have hit profit. And then we had a sell here, which hit take profit earlier today. Okay, on to the euro and pound. Nothing in this week. Let's just minimize and see. Nothing back there. Okay, so we had a signal all the way going back into January. So this is over 2 weeks back, and it looks like we had a sell signal, and then this sharp drop. This looks like this must have been some sort of fundamental news event. So that did turn into a loss, and this leads me on to my next thing I'd like to mention. I always mention it in all of my videos. This B super signal indicator is not perfect. I always say it's up to 70% accurate, which means that 30% of the time it's going to be a loss. This is something that you cannot avoid. There is no holy grail. There is nothing that can predict the future price all of the time and get it right. The biggest thing that goes against us in this case is news events. A lot of the time, the indicator, based on the technical analysis, will make a prediction of where things price is going to go. But then along comes the news, a high impact news event, and it sends price in the other way, causing that signal to have a loss, even though it technically was a valid setup. This is unfortunate, and this happens to everybody, even the best analysts in the world. They also get it wrong sometimes, and especially when it comes to fundamental news, there's nothing that you can do. So when you do use this indicator, or the EA for that matter, you have to anticipate that some of the signals are going to be a loss. It's just how it goes. But if you are practicing good money management, you're not over risking and not overexposing your account, you will be able to mitigate those losses and maintain your profits. Okay, so let's go forward again. We have the euro, yen. All right, let's have a look. Not much going on here. Let's minimize it. All right, there we had a buy signal last week, and that just went straight to take profit. So that was a pretty good signal. Euro, US dollar. Let's see here. Let's minimize it. Okay, we had a win, floating, and it hits a loss, unfortunately. So no win on this pair going in the last couple of weeks. Going on to the next pair, we had a very good sell straight. This was literally a 0% drawdown. This was a perfect signal. I would like to say picture perfect signal. This was really, really good. Then on to the pound Canadian dollar. Looking back, we had a buy, which was a loss, unfortunately. Then we had a sell, which did take profit. And we have another signal, which is still going on in action, currently at break even. Okay, then going on to the dragon, which has done pretty well lately. We had some good pairs, good signals on this pair, so let's just minimize it. So I did actually post these signals on my Instagram and Facebook pages. So if you are following Beast Trading Software on Facebook and Instagram, you would have seen these signals being posted online. So these were two very good signals, both hit take profit. So this was a really good couple of signals. On to the pound US dollar. Looking here, we have only one signal. It looks like it might have hit stop loss, did it? Let's actually just have a look here. Okay, so we have a stop loss at 1.2605. Let's see what the low of this buy had. It was a low of, you can't see it here, but it says 1.2606. Okay, so it didn't hit stop loss, but it came extremely close. Luckily, it did not hit stop loss there. All right, moving on. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, only one signal currently active. Looks like it's going almost towards stop loss, but you know, it can always rebound. So can't say for certain that it is going in that way. So this signal is still live in play. And then we have the US dollar, Canadian dollar. We have a buy signal, did take us out. Let's go back and see. There we had a sell, which was a win. So on this pair, we had a good sell signal last week. And the last pair to show for today, we have the US dollar, Japanese yen. Unfortunately, it looks like we had a sell here. Then we had the news, and we have a current signal here in play. Let's just play this back and see into last week. Okay, last week it had a sell. Did it hit stop loss? It might have. And then we had a win. All right, so those are pretty much all of the signals which have been happening over the last few weeks with the pairs that I provide set files for. Of course, this indicator and the EA does work on many other pairs. So this is just a few that I have to show you. Yeah, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to purchase the Beast Super Signal Indicator or the Beast Super Signal EA, which by the way is a great option if you don't have a lot of time to watch all of the charts. Let's say that you're working, you have a job, you don't have time to trade every signal that comes. The EA is a perfect option for you, as it's going to trade all of these signals for you, fully automated, 24/7. So it is going to trade all of the signals for you. You just set up your risk parameters, you set up the settings using the set files that I provide you, and let the EA trade, or let it do the trading for you. So if you'd like to make a purchase, you can purchase this on my website and on mql5.com. Those are the only official places that you can purchase my indicator, my EA. There is one other place as well, that is on Mercado Livre, which is a Brazilian marketplace. It's kind of like the Amazon of Brazil. I do have my software for sale available there. So any of you, if you do reside in Brazil, you can find my software available there as well. If you see any of my products for sale anywhere else on the internet, on any other website, guys, it's fake, it's a copy, it's a scam. You're going to lose your money, so don't fall for it. Yes, you'll probably find it for less than half of the price, but the product is not going to work. It's fake. So don't fall for it. Only support and buy from the official places. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please do comment down below, or you can reach out to me on through via email on my website. You can reach out to me on Instagram, on Facebook, on MQL5, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Once again, please do hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and do subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy trading. Cheers.